Hello students, this is Shrujana madam and today we will be discussing the 14th chapter of our EVS book Food. All living things need food to live. Food helps us to work, play and study, grow, remain healthy, fight diseases. Children, to work, play and study, we need energy and this we get from food. For our growth and for building up of our bones and muscles, we need food that helps to build our body. Similarly, to remain healthy and to fight diseases, we need protective food. Children, food is one of the basic needs to stay alive. Without having the basic needs such as water, air, food, shelter, and clothes, a human being cannot survive for a long period of time. According to the above observation, we can divide our food into three categories: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Energy giving food, the food that gives us energy is called energy giving food and it gives us the energy to work, play and study. We get these kind of energy to work from wheat, rice, sugar, potato, butter and ghee, which when gets digested in our body, they produce energy in the form of heat and it supports our body and keeps it stable. Moving forward to bodybuilding food. Food that helps us to grow and build our bones and muscles are called bodybuilding food. Milk, meat, eggs, pulses, dals. Children, pulses are different kinds of dals. Fish and nuts. Nuts include cashew nut, groundnut, walnut, hazelnut, different forms of nuts. They help us in the growth of our body. Moving forward to protective food. Food that gives us energy and strength to fight against diseases and keeps us healthy are called protective food. Fresh vegetables and fruits are the examples of protective food. Children, fresh vegetables, they help us to fight against diseases and improve our immunity. Similarly, fruits, they also protect us fight against diseases because different fruits have got different kinds of vitamins. Your fruits like apple, they have got vitamin A. Fruit like lemon, orange, they have got vitamin C. Vitamin C is again good for our gums, our teeth, and it also protects us against catching of cold. We should eat these food in right amount to stay healthy. Diet that contains right amount of all these food is known as a balanced diet. Children, for our growth and development, every human being must have a balanced diet. It is true that junk food like pizzas and burger, they are very tasty, but consuming them every time can also make us fall sick. So we must try to avoid them. More to know. Some vegetables can be eaten raw such as carrot, radish, tomato, beetroot and lettuce. Eat fruit and vegetables only after washing them properly. Children, each and every fruit and vegetable must be cleaned because nowadays if your fruits and vegetables are not properly cleaned, there are several chances that they might contain some germs and bacteria which might lead to coronavirus. Similarly, children, moving forward to the sources of food. We get all our food from either animals or plants. So, food that we get from plant sources are vegetables, then we have our fruits, cereals, pulses, oils and spices. So, vegetables. Vegetables such as potato, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal, etc. They are rich in source of minerals and they help fight against disease by improving our immune system. Moving towards fruits such as apple, banana, mango, grapes, etc., they are also rich in vitamins and minerals, and they also protect us and help us to fight against diseases. Similarly, cereals. Cereals are basically corn grains like rice, wheat, maize, millet, etc. They are also called as food grains, and when we eat them, we get energy. Moving to our next page, we have pulses. They are normally called dals. Pulses include peas, beans, lentil, gram, etc. Children, peas are normally called matar. Lentils are our masoor dal. Gram is called chana dal. Similarly, spices are also known as masalas. Some of the spices include cumin, then we have clove, fenugreek, cinnamon, cardamom, etc. Children, cinnamon is called dalchini, which is used as a dry spice, and sauf is known as fenugreek, and cumin is called jeera, and cardamom is elaichi. Similarly, children, oils include mustard oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and other such edible oils. Moving forward to food from animals. We get different food items from animals. Some of them are milk, eggs, and meat. We get milk from cow, goat, and buffalo. Eggs, we get eggs from hen and duck. Meat, we get meat from hen, goat, and fish. Children, if we are talking from food from animals, then animal foods are consumed along with plant food by the non-vegetarian people, and food from plant sources are consumed by people who belong to vegetarian food group. Similarly, moving forward to the portion of more to know. Cheese, ghee, butter, ice cream and curd are made from milk. The food items that are made from milk are called milk products or dairy products. Normally, children, nowadays, whenever we talk about delicious food item, be it sandwich, be it pizza or burger, we use cheese and butter as a common commodity. Talking about ice cream, it is loved and enjoyed by everyone, but we must keep in mind that all of these products we get from milk. Now I know food gives us energy to work, play, study, grow, and gives us strength to fight against disease and keeps us healthy. Type of food is divided into 3 types: energy giving, bodybuilding, and protective. Sources of food is plants and animals. Food items made from milk are called milk products or dairy products. Moving towards our exercise portion, we have now I can tell. Bit A, tick the correct answer. Food helps us to eat, work, sleep. The correct answer is work, so we have put a tick over here. Then second bit is we get dairy products from milk, hen, plants. The correct answer is milk, so we have put a tick here. Pulses are energy giving food, protective food, bodybuilding food. The correct answer is bodybuilding food, so we have put a tick over here. Moving to the bit B, fill in the blanks using the words given below. Diet having right amount of all the food is a balanced diet. Bit 2, we need food to stay healthy. Number 3, Fruits help us to fight diseases. Number 4. Milk and meat are animal food. Moving to bit number C. Give 2 examples of number 1. Sources of food. Plant sources and animals. So we have written here plants, animals. Types of food. There are 3 types. We can write any 2. We have written here bodybuilding food, energy giving food. Milk products. There are several milk products, but we have written 2 of them. Cheese, ghee. Now answer the following bit number D. Question 1. Why is food a necessity? Food gives us energy to work, play, study, grow, and gives us strength to fight against diseases and keeps us healthy. Moving to the next page to our question number 2. Write 3 types of food. Give 2 examples of each. Bit A, energy giving food. Example wheat, rice. Bit B, bodybuilding food. Example milk, meat. Bit C, protective food. Example fresh vegetables, fruits. Question number 3. List the different kinds of food that we get from plants. Give 2 examples of each. We get vegetables like potato, carrot. Fruits like apple, mango. Cereals like rice, wheat. Pulses like peas, beans. Spices like cumin and clove. And oils like mustard, coconut, etc. Moving to our question number 4. List different kinds of food that we get from animals. Give 2 examples of milk product. We get from animals milk, meat and eggs. 2 examples of milk products are curd and butter. Children, with this we are able to complete the exercise portion, and you have to write down all of these answers in your book itself. You don't need to write them in your copy. Thank you.